You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, if you want to learn more names from football, from soccer, that are very confusing and that many mispronounce. Make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons of them coming up at the end of the video. David, of course. Beckham, I know the spelling of his name suggests it should be or could be said Beckham. David or David Beckham. No, David Beckham. David Beckham. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.